Here is Ilse, a Dutch web search engine founded in 1996, designed to index the Dutch part of the World Wide Web in particular. At the time internet was introduced, Ilse played a significant role in the web's adoption by the Dutch. From its founding till 2002, Ilse was the most used search engine in the Netherlands. These images were taken by the Wayback Machine of archive.org, which started saving Ilse from 1998. As you can see, the interface underwent many major changes in the last 13 years, moving from a very basic design towards a more personalized portal to the web. Let's have a closer look to Ilse's interface. First, it was very basic with big fonts showing news headlines, a link directory to use as a starting point for surfing the web, and on the left lists with other Ilse services. This interface changed in 2000, but the basics remain the same. It provided 4 categories to search in: the web, email, the Gouden Gids, Yellow Pages, and the telephone dictionary. These basics kept unchanged until half 2003. At that time, Ilse has already passed its peak as more people began to use Google. The changes made in 2003 were basically about the layout. Ilse made their pages smaller, but longer, as scrolling became more or less a common thing for websites. It seems that Ilse had a good look to their biggest rival Google, which is increasingly taking over Ilse's market share. So by April 2006, Ilse stripped its website to a more plain version, maintaining only some key features and moving the search bar to a more prominent place at the top. Again, a new design was launched in mid-2009, with one very remarkable thing: an image saying "enhanced by Google." About 1 year later, a completely new, personalized search portal took over the seemingly Google ripoff. So the point I want to make is, what could be a reason allowing Google taking over Ilse? Let's go back to the early 2000s, when Ilse was the very most popular Dutch search engine. What especially drew my attention was the categories in which you can search. What has changed about this? Since 2000, Ilse allows you to search the World Wide Web, email, the Yellow Pages, and the telephone dictionary. As email disappeared in 2001, the root option was added, which disappeared within a year. Shortly hereafter, Pic Search was introduced, which button was replaced by Afbeeldingen, meaning images, some months later. It remained this way for the next years. In 2006, Searching the News was added, and the image button promoted to the 3rd place in the row. This button sequence changed in 2007 when Bedrijven en Telefoongids took over the 2nd and 3rd position. This moment could emphasize Ilse's lack to anticipate on the rise of the Web 2.0 user, which is actively uploading and sharing their own content. When Ilse's engine was fully enhanced by Google by mid-2009, the buttons were also replaced. And these buttons did focus on user content as well, allowing one to search for videos, images, weblogs, instead of searching through digitized old media phenomena like the Yellow Pages or the telephone dictionary. So actually, Ilse was always one step behind.